What's up, guys? It's Emerita here today. So this is probably gonna be my fifth or so. I don't know what kind, but not too far from doing some first videos. So I have no subscribers because this is my first time doing like a video that's getting posted on YouTube, like, because I have nothing to do, nothing to do, just like go on YouTube. I'm like, oh my god, these videos are so cool. So today, guys, we're going to be doing prank slime packages that are, get away, Joseph, go. Okay, so today we're going to be doing prank slime package today. So let's get started with the video. 5 minutes later. They said it was gonna be here exactly at what time they said it was gonna be here? No, it wasn't 4:30. Oh, it was 5, and let me check this out. 5:25. I've been waiting for 5 minutes. Well, still, it was supposed to be here at 5, and now it's been 25 minutes. Because right now it is 5:25. So, okay, we gotta wait. There we are. Let me go pause it. I'm gonna go get it. Okay, guys, I got the slime package. Okay, before I was there to go get it, it was on the floor, and I cannot even, just quick, I cannot even see it. I think they just had to get in a rush, so I asked for some lessons too. Now here is the note. What it says is pink glossy slime, $6.25. Tiny purple rose purple, $9.25. And big purple slime, it's called Dark Sky, that was $6.50. So I paid $20. And I got the lotion for free. She gave it to me for free. So, let me see. So actually, I paused it just now, and I put small, medium to large. Like, if I like it, I'm put like a check by medium, and if I really, really like it, I'll do a large. And if I don't like it, it's small. Okay, sorry guys, I have to sneeze. Let's open it up. Got my lotion.
Which one?
So, here is the pink glossy slime that was $6.25. Here it is. Now, this one's supposed to be glossy, so. This one's getting good stuff. Now let's see if it's glossy. I don't know if y'all can hear it, but when I'm right here, I can hear it, and like it's really glossy. So that was the pink glossy slime for $6.08. Now it's really kind of hard, not that hard, but that's why I got lotion. So I do slime swirl with it too. So just do that. Just do. Yeah, slime swirl. Okay, that one was not really good to do slime swirl, so. So now I'm going to put this back in and go to a tiny purple slime rose. Uh-oh, the bag's ripped. Oh, gosh. I'll just rip and get a new one for me. So this was supposed to be the tiny purple purple. This is really tiny to be $9, so. Ooh. Hey, that one I just did was actually medium. And this one right here, my paper fell. This one right here is small. Okay. Look at this. Can I even get any of this? It's slow. It's gonna be slow and it won't even stretch. Hope maybe I'll put lotion later. Put that in the broken bag. Now the next up is a big purple slime. It's called Dark Sky, and it says big purple slime. So and it's $6. So I think she kind of messed up and tried to put that one right here and that one right there. But it's only $20, and I need this one now. Really. Hopefully this one's good because it's really big and I want a big slime. And I can do slime smoothie and I'll put it on YouTube. Okay, this one's kind of stretchy. Maybe I can do, make my video a little bit longer, probably to 8 minutes or something, and put some lotion in. And comment down below if you want me to do another slime package if I have some more slime. And I will be making some more slime, and my mom can get me some more glue, and my friend and my sister. And this one's really pokey. I think it's because the lotion. Okay, the bag doesn't have the lotion, so let's try to do the bag. So. Kind of pokey. Maybe I can make it longer, maybe a few minutes.
No, baby. Why do you have my thing over there? What thing?
Okay, so when I put lotion in it, look what it did to my slime. Literally, I'm mixing it now, it's all dry. Mix it to more camera. Microphone. This was a pink one. What? Oh! And this one was the not stretchy one, but put lotion in it, and it's kind of getting more stretchier and all that.
I put lotion in it.
So yeah, so here you go. I'm gonna mix it. Maybe just put the camera back and then my GoPro. No, just kidding. No, I have one yet, but I'll get one next year.
Yeah, it's a GoPro. She got a GoPro.
What?
GoPro.
A GoPro.
It's a GoPro.
A Go and a Pro. Oh.
What are you doing?
So thank you for watching. Maybe if y'all watching, maybe I could get some more subscribers, please. Thank you. Bye. Have a great day. And comment down below if y'all want me to make more slime. Probably gonna do it Friday. And a slime smoothie on camera. So bye. Peace out. Get some more subscribers, or maybe about like 200 and more and more. Bye.